guys. Okay, I just finished working out, so I'm all sweaty. I wanted to hop on here and let everyone know today is the absolute last day to register and get your order in. So if you are ready, if you're ready to make the commitment and you're ready to get your life together and get in shape and start feeling amazing, oops, sorry about that. Email me, or you can message me, or you can comment below this video and I'll get in touch with you. My email is heatherharrisfit@gmail.com, and for those that sign up today, I am offering an incentive of a $25 gift card anywhere you choose, or a Fix8 cookbook to go along with your program. So again, I just want to share my vision and tell you guys, you know, what I've gone through in the last 2 years is amazing. And if you are short on money, if you're short on time, this is an awesome solution for you. You get 30 meals, breakfast or lunch, that it's crazy easy. You just whip it up in a blender and you drink it, and it's so easy, and it gets all your nutrition in your body that helps your body be set up to lose weight and gives you the energy and all that stuff that you need. And then you get your program along with it. So no gym membership, no fees there. It's a great deal. You get, for $140, you get a workout program that you can use forever and 30 meals. And the time thing is, you know, people are like, I don't have time. This is what you do when you don't have time. You do these home workouts, 30-minute home workouts, where you work out 30 minutes in the morning and you're done. And you don't leave your house. So you don't have to go to the gym. You don't have to have that driving time, getting dressed time, undressed time. You just wake up, crawl out of bed, get your work done in 30 minutes, get in the shower, and you're done. This is the best solution for people that don't have time. This is my little one. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, and then okay, drink, that's enough. And then the money thing too, I mean, it really is a good deal. So if you don't have money, this is a good solution for you, because you get your workout and your meals for $140, and you're not paying like a monthly gym membership and things like that. I mean, if you're ready to get in shape, and you feel like you don't have a lot of money and you don't have a lot of time, this is a solution. This is why I got into it. I have all these kids. I have 4 kids, and I wasn't able to go to the gym, put them in daycare, hire a babysitter, and it cost too much money for all that when I wasn't using it, and I just didn't have the time. So between the shakes, taking up a meal a day, keeping my body energized, and then getting my workouts done quick in the morning, it's just been awesome. Finally, I feel like I have my life back and I'm fit again. So I hope you guys realize that how great this solution is for you, and I hope you join me. So, was there anything else I wanted to say, Drake? I'm playing the guitar for them? I think that was it. So just message me or email me at heatherharrisfit@gmail.com, and I'll help you pick your program and your bundle pack, and we will get you your gift card. And this is what I was going to say. Invite your friends, because here's another way you could save money. If you get at least 3 people to join in with you and do this with you, your whole program will be paid for. It takes 3 people. So there's an option too. So thanks guys, and I hope to hear from you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.